Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0223 refers to a diagnostic trouble code indicating a high voltage issue in the Throttle Position Sensor B circuit. This sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring the position of the throttle, which is essential for controlling the engine's air intake and managing acceleration. The TP Sensor B is typically located on the throttle body, which is situated between the air intake and the engine intake manifold. When a high voltage is detected in this circuit, it can lead to various engine performance issues and can be caused by a number of factors. It is important for a technician to diagnose this code properly to ensure safe and optimal vehicle performance. This guide will provide detailed steps for troubleshooting the DTC P0223 to ascertain the exact cause of the issue. The DTC P0223 indicates that the TP Sensor B circuit is registering a high voltage, which is problematic. The TP Sensor B provides critical input data to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, regarding the throttle's position. This data helps the PCM manage air and fuel intake, directly influencing engine performance and emissions. Typically, the TP Sensor B is located on the throttle body, which controls the airflow into the engine's intake manifold. If the circuit sends a voltage reading above the manufacturer's specified threshold, usually around 4.8 volts, it triggers the P0223 code. This condition might arise due to sensor failure, wiring issues, or external factors affecting sensor readings. Several factors can lead to a P0223 code. First, a faulty TP Sensor B itself may cause an erroneous high voltage reading. If the sensor is not functioning correctly, it won't provide accurate data, potentially resulting in this error code. Additionally, poor wiring connections can lead to inconsistent voltage signals reaching the PCM. Loose terminals, frayed wires, or corroded connectors can affect the voltage measurements. Furthermore, issues with the PCM, which interprets signals from the sensor, could result in improper operations if the module is malfunctioning. Each of these root causes must be taken into account during the troubleshooting process. The occurrence of a P0223 code can manifest through various symptoms that may become apparent to the driver. One of the primary indicators is engine performance issues, which might include hesitation or poor acceleration. These occur because inaccurate throttle position data affects the air-fuel mixture required for optimal combustion. Additionally, drivers may notice an increase in fuel consumption as the engine struggles to maintain the right balance due to malfunctioning sensor readings. Another clear symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, which serves as a warning for potential issues requiring attention. Observing any of these symptoms should prompt further diagnostic actions. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P0223, begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position. This allows the vehicle's electronic systems to power up and prepare for diagnostics. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the current DTCs. Clearing stored codes is essential to ensure that the system returns to a state where it can accurately report new fault conditions. After clearing, switch the vehicle to the off, lock mode and then back to the on mode. This process helps reset the system and prepares the vehicle for parameter checks, enabling the technician to assess the performance of the TP Sensor B under controlled conditions. In this step, the technician must check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. This is crucial because identifying other related fault codes can provide insight into whether multiple sensors are affected. Specifically, the The technician should note if both DTC P0123 and P0223 appear simultaneously. If so, this implies a possible shared issue, such as a common wiring fault or a problem with the throttle body that requires deeper investigation. Conversely, if they do not appear together, it allows the technician to narrow down the diagnosis and focus solely on the specifics of the P0223 code without interference from other potential issues. In Step 3, begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the off/lock position to ensure safety. Next, the technician should disconnect the throttle body 6P connector, which is the interface for the TP sensor B. After disconnection, the vehicle should be turned back to the on mode. This allows for the measurement of voltage from the throttle body connector without the influence of the sensor on the circuit. Measure the voltage between specified test points. The expected reading should be around 5.0 volts. If this reading is accurate, it indicates that the electrical supply and wiring to the throttle body are functioning correctly, leading to the next necessary action of replacing the throttle body if another issue is identified. During this step, the vehicle must be powered down by turning the ignition to the off/lock position. Then, the technician should use the HDS to jump the SCS service check signal line, which is essential for entering specific diagnostic modes. After waiting for more than 1 minute, the next action involves disconnecting the PCM connector E, which contains vital control wiring for the throttle control circuit. Following this disconnection, the technician will test for continuity between the wiring connections referenced in the diagnostic steps. If continuity is established, it confirms that the THL2 wire is intact, directing the technician to examine any additional service information related to the system. If continuity is absent, it reveals an open circuit that must be repaired. In the final troubleshooting step, begin similarly by switching the ignition to the off/lock position for safety. The technician must jump the SCS line with the HDS once more to enter the required diagnostics. Following this, both the PCM connector E and the throttle body 6P connector must be disconnected to facilitate a thorough inspection of the SG3 line. With both connectors disconnected, check for continuity between the specified test points. A yes reading would indicate that the SG3 wire is functioning correctly, allowing further analysis or service procedures to be conducted. On the other hand, a lack of continuity would necessitate repairing the open circuit found in the SG3 wire, linking the PCM to the throttle body. Upon completing the troubleshooting and any necessary repairs, it is critical to conduct a final verification to ensure the effectiveness of the interventions. Start by rechecking the DTCs using the HDS to confirm that DTC P0223 no longer appears. If it has been cleared, proceed with a test drive under normal operating conditions to observe for any recurrence of symptoms previously noted. Pay attention to the vehicle's throttle response and engine performance during this drive. If the vehicle exhibits no symptoms and operates smoothly without triggering any fault codes, the repair can be considered successful. Recording this information may also be beneficial for future reference should similar issues arise. To mitigate future issues related to the throttle position sensor and corresponding circuits, certain preventive maintenance strategies are advisable. Regular inspections of wiring harnesses and connectors should be performed to identify any signs of wear or damage early. Technicians should monitor the performance of the throttle position sensors periodically, ensuring they operate within expected voltage ranges to catch any anomalies that might lead to DTCs. Keeping electrical connectors clean and free of corrosion is also essential, as contaminants can disrupt signal transmission to the PCM. By adhering to these preventive measures, the likelihood of encountering the P0223 error code can be significantly reduced, enhancing overall vehicle reliability. In summary, understanding DTC P0223 is essential for effective diagnosis and repair. This diagnostic code indicates a high voltage condition in the throttle position sensor B circuit, which could stem from various causes, including faulty sensors, poor wiring, or PCM issues. Following the structured troubleshooting steps ensures that technicians can accurately identify and resolve the underlying problem, allowing the vehicle to operate correctly again. Finally, engagement in preventive maintenance practices will help minimize the risks of similar DTCs in the future. This comprehensive approach not only resolves the immediate issue, but also fosters sustained performance and reliability for the Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.